Hey, what's going on there, Dice Rollers? Paul here, and I'll be your DM for a while. Welcome back to 30-Day Dungeon, or welcome to 30-Day Dungeon for your first time. This is where I'm going to be building 30 dungeons in 30 days because I'm a maniac. That's why, because I'm testing myself to see if I can actually do this thing 30 days in a row. And welcome to day number 9. My sanity seems to be holding up, and I want to welcome in some of our new subscribers. I want to welcome in Bruce McCullough, Javier Fernandez, and Rain1331. Thank you so much for being subscribers. And if you are brand spanking new here, never been here before, and you like these dungeons, you like creativity, you like building dungeons, you like Dungeon Master tips, all those kind of good things, then go ahead and click the like and subscribe. And that's exactly the kind of videos you're going to get, because I want you, especially if you're a DM, I want you to be able to run epic games at your table. I want you to have a good time. I want you to have fun. I don't want your table to explode with laughter and oohs and ahs. Hey, doing a little contest, by the way. You can see here on the screen, going to have some books there that you can win, because I'm doing a code word contest. That's right, every video in this series, starting from video number 4, has a code word, and this video's code word is secrets. Well, because dungeons have secrets. Now, this contest applies to those of you that reside in the United States. Sorry for all you international folks. I think you know the deal. The shipping is outrageous. So at the end of the 30 days, you give me all the names, I'll put your name in a drawing, and you can win one of these fabulous books here. So let me go ahead and show you how this process is going to go. I have switched the dungeon generator that I was using to Maze Rat. So I'll be using this for the next few videos, and we'll see how that goes. So I'll be using 2d6 throughout, and I'm going to first roll how many rooms are there going to be, a dungeon theme, a dungeon ruination, how did this dungeon get ruined, and then a dungeon entrance. So it'll be a little bit different than some of the other videos, and I hope you like the changes. Leave me some comments down below. Which of these generators do you like most? And listen, I'm going to be fleshing out these dungeons. That's what this page right here is for, when I go back and I'll write down all the information I want to create for that dungeon, probably turn them into an adventure, and probably put them in my zine here, Crit Happens. So this is my hex crawl of horror that I've been working on. And if you're interested in this, I'll put a link down below. But if you'd like to see some of these dungeons get fleshed out, I am going to be putting them back over in the membership area. So if you're interested in that, you can sign up, you can get the zine, you get those absolutely free, and you get total access. You can get live streams, all the videos, all the good stuff. Sign up today. And the last reason that I'm really kind of doing this whole thing is because I think you can do this. Once again, what you're going to see here today, I'm not a professional designer. I'm not an artist. I'm not a graphic designer. I'm not any of those things. I'm just a dude who likes to be creative, who likes making things, who loves sharing what he has learned over the past 40 years playing role-playing games and running role-playing games. So don't think to yourself, well, I can't do this. You most certainly can, and that's my goal, is to encourage you to do the same. All right, let's go ahead and see where we go from here. First of all, let's go ahead and see how many rooms are going to be in this dungeon. Okay, they're going to be 10. All right, 10 rooms. Let me just go mark that right here, just so I remember. 10 rooms. And I cheated a little bit. I did some pre-rolling, okay? This is going to be an asylum. And this asylum has come into ruination because of an evil that has been uncovered. Which, I mean, in an asylum, right? You think, okay, sure, there's some evil probably going on over there. So there are 10 rooms. I'm going to do this a little differently because I'm going to do this in floors. So I'm going to go ahead and make this the first floor. And let's see, we're going to go ahead and create the entryway there, put a little door right here. Then we'll get ourselves a hallway going. We'll put 2 or 3 on this floor, have a hallway. Then we'll put this. You tell me down below in the comments, do you like to draw your own maps, or do you like to buy maps? Do you like to do digital maps? Tell me down in the comments, what do you like? What do you like about the dungeon process? Now, this is all just free-flowing here. I'm not really thinking about anything other than I'm going to draw some boxes. I'm going to draw some rooms here, and we'll kind of see where it goes. So let's say that's going to be floor number 1. So let's put some stairs right here. So we're going to say that is floor number 1. Floor number 2, let's put that right here. I'll go up into this room, and we'll put the stairs going up, and then we'll put a door right here, and we'll go down this way. We're probably going to have a basement. Let's put this right here. Let's see, let's go over this way, put a door right here, and yeah, we'll put a door right here. And let's go ahead and do this. Once again, my DM told me the other day, he said, boy, I can't watch you draw these things because it drives me insane because you won't do it perfectly. And I'm like, you know what? That's the whole point. I don't want it to be perfect. This looks like, even this mistake here looks like this hallway could just be messed up, right? I messed it up. But you know what? This whole thing is just a stream of consciousness. So we have floor number 1 that goes up to floor number 2. And then here, we're going to have some more stairs, which will then go into floor number 3. Let's see what happens here. Let's put that there. And the stairs will go up. And now you're in this room. Put a door there. Put a door here. Make this a little smaller. That's okay. Nothing wrong with a small room. And then we're going to move this way. We'll give it a little angle. Let's extend out a little bit more. Let's see. We'll go do this. And we'll put a door here. So what do we have? We have floor number 1, floor number 2, floor number 3. Let's go and make sure we are consistent there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We just need one more room. Let's go and put a room right here since we have room for a room. Put that there. Once again, this could just be debris. We don't know what's blocking. There could be something blocking there, right? The walls are narrow. They're all falling in. But those are some of the things that I'll do over in the members area when I get ready to flesh it all out. Okay, so we know that we have an asylum now. We know that evil has been uncovered is why this asylum is in ruin. We don't know exactly what that's going to be. So we're going to go ahead and roll the dice. We're going to see what the entrance is. What kind of entrance do we need to get into? Where is this asylum at? Is it hidden somewhere? Let's find out. So we're going to roll, first of all, just a D6 and then another D6. So we have a 3, and then we're going to roll another D6. We have a 2. Oh boy. Okay, the entrance is going to be a gypsy wagon, which makes sense in some way because the evil has been uncovered, has something to do with the gypsies, maybe, and something has been uncovered. So there's something going on in that. There's a connection there that I'll explore and when I start to put it all together. Now, the interesting thing might be, what if I put the characters in the asylum to start? Maybe they are all patients here, and they have to find their way out through the gypsy wagon. That'd certainly make it more interesting, but like I said, I'll work out all the details on that. But let me know what you think. That's it for this dungeon. What do you think about this dungeon? Leave me your comments down below. What do you think about the process? Like I said, it's a bit streamlined. Tell me what you think about the new generator. And listen, if you think somebody might like this video, would you go ahead and share it with them and say, hey, this guy's doing these dungeons. Why don't you take a look? I bet you could do this. And it might encourage them to get started doing that. And if you're interested, I do have some videos here. You can watch the whole playlist of the dungeons I've done before. You can also check out the Crit Happens video right there to find out more about my horror hex crawl. But that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all on day 10.